Hi there, my hiking and outdoor friends. The nice trail. It's Bohusleden in Svartedalen, Sweden. So this weekend is trail hiking and hammocking. Since I got the new hammocks from Amokequioment, the all new Draumr 5.0. Really nice upgrades to the former Draumr hammock, and as well the Draumr Ultralight. So hang on, there will be some outdoor cooking and hammocking with those two hammocks. Cheers! My ad riding and hiking, outdoor cooking friends, and all others. Van lifing friends as well. So this is the Amok Draumr 5.0 or 5.0 in the new fancy blue color. I have had the Amok Draumr 4.0 before. So this is just a release this week, a new product. There are some small differences. This bag was fixed before on the outside. Now you could store it inside here. You can unbuckle it if you want to do something else. I think it's really great actually, because it can store a lot of stuff in here in a better way. The beer pocket that was on the left side is now on the right side, and so on. Shoe pocket on the same side, and the bug net is also new. It's a new function. Because it slides on this ridge line instead of going over it. So this is really great. Much more convenient to zip this bug net. And there is, instead of a ridge line for the bug net that went all the way down to your feet, it's now in a small pocket inside here that slides here, and you just fasten it here. So you only have for a head side, and that's the only thing you need actually for the bug net. It's perfect. All the new features that you see on this Draumr 5.0 you also have on the Ultralight. Everything is the same in the new functions, and that is also really nice. You see a smoke and fire down there. It's soon time for some cooking. I will do some beef rollados, so stay tuned if you like to see that as well. Look at the view. Stunning. Peaceful. I had a really nice hike also in this forest. It's a national park in western Sweden, Svartedalen. We have walked on the trail, on the Bohusleden trail. 370 kilometers of trail. It starts south of Gothenburg and all the way up to Norway. Really nice. I have been walking on it for a few days before as well. With the tent at that time, and I must say that it's a lot easier to get along with a hammock in this type of terrain, because it's really difficult to find a flat spot for a tent. But the hammock, you can hang it everywhere, as long as you have trees, and I can assure you, in this landscape in Sweden, you have trees everywhere.
Galant.
Känns det bra?
Ja, faktiskt.
Perfekt. Då ska vi prova Ultralight för dig.
Ja.
Let's go try the Ultralight.
Yep.
So this is your bed?
This is my bed.
The Ultralight?
Yeah.
Oh, cozy.
Yeah, really nice.
But the view? Really nice view.
Really wonderful.
So this is the Ultralight tarp. Skjold 10 Ultralight. And the Ultralight Draumr. Really nice.
Yeah.
And as you see, you can easily fit a pair of shoes in the shoe pocket. And then the bug net is really nice. News here, like on the 5.0 Draumr, is that you have a pocket on the line, the ridge line. And on that pocket you have also the ridge line for the bug net that ends up on the head side. Really nice, and you can also adjust it with a adjuster up here on how tension you think you need it, like that. And you also have the hammock storage bag hanging on the inside. You can also detach it from that buckle. You have this nice storage pockets aside here where you can store your stuff. Packing pockets, your water bottle or beer pocket on the right side instead of the left side. But I think this fabric actually, you can see through it like you don't do on the other Draumr hammocks in the same way. So it's thinner and lighter, this ripstop material. Metal buckets. You also have this drop protection when it rains. Really nice with the colored buckles for the right and left side. This is the right side, so that's green. Handy when you hang it up. You also have a small arrow up here on the strap buckle that shows you how to fasten it. All in all, I'm very impressed. It feels actually very robust. Should be really interesting to sleep in it. But that's your Bibi, so you have to tell.
It's really nice. Really, really nice. Easy to go to sleep.
One thing I really like with the new Skjold 10 tarp is that it's so much larger than the Skjold, the earlier one. It's longer in the foot end. Really nice. And I also like to have a pole on that side to raise it, so I have a good view in front of me. With that nice side view, I think it's really nice to protect the hammock from wind instead. Cozy place. This spot has been very difficult to pitch a tent, or impossible, because it's very steep and uneven. But it's perfect with the hammock. Cheers. See you on the next adventure.